Hi everyone, welcome to yet another video of Distraction Routes. Today I am here at Dubai and as you can see I am in front of the Miracle Garden. So this is my first time here at the Miracle Garden and I would like to go around, roam and see and also show you guys what is there inside. I'm excited to go in and let's go in and check how it is. My friend Nirmal is here. He's the one who got me here. He works along with me. So this is a Miracle Garden out here. We're going to get in and take the tickets. Let's go there and take the tickets. And these are the ticket counters. The ticket costs 55 for adults and 40 for children. So this is the tickets. We got the tickets and we're going to enter, and behind these are the instructions for the visitors. So I'm just going towards the Miracle Garden. This is the entrance and it looks beautiful from here. So the securities have just checked the bag and they have scanned the tickets. We have entered and everything is contactless. You can see here there is a big horse that is made and it looks stunning. It's so huge. The horse is so huge and there are these beautiful flowers out here. I think we will go around and we'll start walking from the left side. And he is all excited. You're coming here for the first time?
Yeah, of course.
I'm also coming here for the first time. He's the one who took me here. So we just started walking around. It's really beautiful, and even though it is COVID season, we have a lot of visitors here. And the park was closed actually for around 5 to 6 months. It just reopened 2 days back. So I am just lucky. As the time I reached Dubai, it is opened. You can see all the flowers. It has reopened for the winter season. You can see how beautiful all these are and how well they are maintained. Here there is the tree trunk, a very huge tree trunk that is made up, and it's just like an underpass. You can just pass through and it's so huge out there. And there's a swan and all that, and then there's the cat out there. You can find all the animals that's made up of the flowers and the plants, and that's a huge cat. Very beautiful it is. This side you have the restaurants and all that stuff. There is lots to roam around, and there is this cat which is sitting, and there is one more cat which is standing out there. You have trees there, up there, made of flowers and all that. There is a castle here. It looks like a castle. Yes, it is a castle made up of flowers. It is actually a Miracle Garden and they have absolutely done a lot of hard work to maintain this. I think there are millions of flowers up here and you can see the castle up here. It's wonderful. I think they don't allow entry inside because of the COVID situation. Yes, the castle is beautiful actually. It looks very nice. I don't know if there is entry into it. This is another castle. It's closed actually. I think because of the COVID situation or something like that, they have closed it. And there are a few villas which are made of flowers. And we'll go towards this direction.
سيداتي وسادتي.
Look at this lady. Nirmal is pointing me out there, and there is this beautiful lady who's lying down, and the design is absolutely fantastic. I'll just go at the side or in the front so that you can see it very well. Look at all these flowers. All are natural flowers. They all look like artificial, but those are natural flowers. Look at them and look at this lady. She's just laying down and it's designed so well that the hair and her dress is what is making her float. This is the floating lady, I believe, and it looks seriously amazing. And you have all these shops here, the beautiful, wonderful shops on this side, and it looks really nice. Nirmal is interested in some woman clothing, maybe planning for his wife. So we'll just walk. So just continue walking from here. There's a Mickey Mouse there. That's not a Mickey Mouse, that's a Woofy. Thank you, Nirmal, thank you for correcting me. I never watch all these, I just know little of it. And there she is, the Minnie Mouse. He knows everything, huh? He knows all the cartoons. He is watching all the cartoons, I believe, and still watching. And I have never watched, and I don't know the names. And that's the Minnie Mouse again. And here you have the whole family of them. They are ready to play cricket. All sides covered with flowers. It's completely made of flowers. So beautiful. It is the Miracle Garden. At least this one is the Mickey Mouse.
You are right.
Yes, finally I am right. And this one is the Mickey Mouse. It's made of grass and small plants, and then you have flowers up there for the decoration. See, he is very much aware of all the names of all the cartoons. Very nice. It's very helpful, and you can call him the guide today. And there is a teddy bear over there. So I'll just go in front of it and see what it is. Yeah, it looks like a penguin. It's really nice. Look at all these flowers. It's seriously beautiful and very nice. That's an elephant out there. What you're seeing there is the elephant. Yes, these are penguins. Penguins in different positions. Behind that, what you're seeing is a world record. You can see the Emirates flight A380 that is made up there. You have these turbines running, which resembles the flight engine. We just saw the A380 and we thought we will just go up there and see what is out there. This place is seriously beautiful. Yes?
Nothing.
Nirmal was telling something. He just stopped. And look at this. I think this is Cinderella. Cinderella, and there's a clock up there which shows the time. I don't think it's the right time. There's a Cinderella up there. So this looks beautiful. We'll just go up the stairs. Really nice. You can see the whole of Miracle Garden from top of here. That's the Emirates A380. And we just got down from another exit. And this place also looks amazing. You have place to sit here. You can just sit, relax. And you have restaurants here all around. All these are restaurants. There is a Volkswagen there. It's a Volkswagen Beetle. Model of a Volkswagen Beetle.
Limousine.
Oh, it's a Volkswagen limousine. It's an open end car. It's wonderfully made. And you have these elephants just like in the forest. Very beautiful, right? They have water coming out from their trunks, and they are just like fountains, the elephant. And the water is so clean, and it looks really nice. It's very nice out here with all the elephants. I will go around the elephants once. Kids will enjoy this place a lot. You can come with your family, you can come with friends. People of any age can enjoy this place. The entry fee was 55 dirhams, but it is worth it. And you can see millions of flowers. Maybe you will never see it in your lifetime anywhere, but in this one place you will be able to see it completely. And there is another beautiful lady here with her hair made up of completely flowers. You see this? The lady's hair is completely made of flowers. Beautiful. She's got white hair. Just walking around in this area, and you can see up all these are made of umbrellas, flowers and plants. It looks seriously beautiful. And here you can see a dhow or a boat. These are old Arabic boats which were used for fishing and for trade, and they have made a shape of a boat here. That's a dhow. It looks wonderful. And there is a fountain that's falling from between the lake. It's very nice. And look at that beautiful tortoise there. It looks fantastic. And it looks beautiful. It's like they're enjoying upside down. And the boat is looking very nice from far away. This is the other side of the plane. That's the A380 that you see there. I'm on the other side of it. You can see on this side there are all these pots complete of flowers. Look at that. Look at that. There should be thousands and thousands of pots with thousands of flowers in it. It's absolutely beautiful. I've been to the botanical garden at Lal Bagh, but this is something different, or a miracle actually. And you have all these small places to sit around, and this is the other side of the plane, and it looks very nice. So Nirmal is tired, I think, walking all around. How is the place? How do you find the place? It's good? Good? Worth coming?
Yeah, of course it's worth coming.
So he also has his word. It's worth coming, and that is what I also have to tell. It is worth coming. So if you are coming to Dubai or you are here already, you can come over and visit the Miracle Garden. It's worth watching. The entrance fee is 55 dirham for adults, and for kids it's 40 dirham.
Definitely bring your kids.
And he says definitely bring your kids and come with your family, because it's absolutely beautiful and it is for the family. And you can spend a very good evening or a day. You can spend around 2 hours or 3 hours here. That's more than enough, I believe, to cover this area. So that's all from here. It's me, Tom, with Nirmal, signing off. And please do like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
And also turn on the bell notification icon.
Aiva. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks when it is dark and when it is lit up. Just a small video, you can just see around.